Welcome, my name is Vendulka Battais and I've got a lovely workshop for you today called Painted Butterfly. So what we're going to be using is these lovely Marabu paints, which I've been sort of working with for a couple of years now, and my award-winning quilt has been done exactly with this technique. So it's a lovely way for you to have a sort of hands-on a lovely technique which won awards. So let's have a look how this whole thing works. So my husband and I have designed these two lovely butterflies. Now one is a little bit more intricate, and what I recommend is if you've got experience with free motion quilting, then that is the design to use for you. The other one is a little bit more simplistic, and that one is really good for people who are not really confident with free motion quilting and they prefer using a straight stitch and therefore using a walking foot.